Baik beri beri.
Kosong kita jadi Bubagura nih, mati kita jasing namun orang Chamung, Chamung ya. Aku betul betul pada.
Ania. Okay. Buzai mania. Contoh. Atukan contoh. Bubagura bad ni. Chamung China boy. Joto na boy. Joto na boy. So Bubagura ni dalu boy. Jom kai kena ni mana je punya je ni. Pasal ni special company. Joto na boy kan semua shop ayo. Kai coba aku no tak kita minta. Je cuba cuk. Joto cuba cuk ni. So kita minta. Saya birthday যার কারণে আমরা সবাই আসছি এখানে মানে আপনাদের একটু মধ্যে একটু জলপান দেওয়ার লেগে যে আমরা এখানে আসছি হ্যাঁ এখানে একটু যা আছে এটা আপনারা গ্রহণ করেন আর কি হ্যাঁ আমরা Bubagura birthday মানে পরিচিত birthday তার দিকে আমরা আমরা কিয়া আসলে আজকে মানে সবার দিকে আমরা একটু মানে একটু খাওয়ানো দিকে আমরা একটু পারে আমরা নিজের সাধু থেকে আমরা নিজে তার জন্য একটু গ্রহণ করে এটা আমরা একটু খুব খুশি হইব হ্যাঁ Sir, today is Bubagura's birthday. So according to that, we came here to serve for all the people of the hospital. So today we are giving some of the feedings from our side to distribute this. That is according to you only. You have to distribute to everyone.
You have given?
Yeah, already I have been given. Now this is only for the hospital staff because you people are doing work at 24 hours. Okay, sir. So Thanks a lot. Today, please, if you can able to give some word that we came here, that it will be quite graceful to us.
First of all, thank you for giving and thank you Bubagura also. He has given you instruments like oxygen concentrator in the COVID period. It was very much essential at that time. And you people are along with us. So that's why thank you so much for everything.
Thanks a lot, sir. So that's all, sir. It's our humble to you that you people are doing a 24 hours. You people are doing work for our peoples, and for that we are glad. And we thanks to you also for that whatever the ingredients and each and everything. For each and everything, we still thanks for you for that, sir. And we want as your own help. According to us, means the help it should be go on as the same way.
Our hospital will be every time we will be along with you.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot.
For every
Thank you, everyone. Today we came here in the hospital of our Behalabari, and today in front of everyone we have given to the patients the feedings, and already we have given the feedings to them, and even the staffs also of our hospital, because they are working over here as 24 hours they are working over here. That is why today we are so glad, and as on Bubagura's birthday, today we came here by supporting of Bubagura, and also supporting of YTF and all the community person of our Bubagura, that today we have done this many this kind of work in front of each and everyone. So I thanks to Bubagura that he have been given this opportunity to us to celebrate his birthday as in the hospital. That is why we are thanks to Bubagura, and we always wish to support to Bubagura. So I was to thank to every one of our members of the Behalabari BC, East Behalabari BC. So that is why only one thing I will tell you in a one word: we have to be united, and will be with you, sir. And one more thing is that Bubagura, I will long